Get ready, start. Recourse to President's rule does not mean a one man rule. In essence, it only means that during the proclamation, responsible government in the state is replaced by responsible government by the Council of Ministers at the center, which becomes answerable to Parliament in respect of all matters concerning the administration of the state. All of you are aware that there cannot be any other guide or support other than the provisions of the Constitution to assist you in assessing delicate situations. In assessing situations inevitably surrounded by political excitement, urgency, and controversy, it may also happen that you may not have all the time which you may ordinarily wish for to arrive at your own conclusions regarding the potentialities of a particular situation. Thus, where a ministerial crisis develops before the budget had been passed by the legislature of before even a vote on account had been taken, your assessment will have to race against the time lest for failure to obtain grants from the legislature of the parliament. The entire administration of the state should come to stand still. Apart from the fact that constitution does not envisage the formulation of any guidelines, we have to remember that it would not be possible to anticipate the situations likely to arise in the future, which would necessitate the use of the discretionary power by the governor. A careful analysis of the circumstances leading to the issue of proclamation under Article 365 in different states would reveal that circumstances have been most dissimilar and each situation had its own distinct features. Such a study would make it obvious that it would not at all be easy to formulate any general guidelines which would be of any advantage to you. I am sure all to you have studied the report of the committee of governors that had gone into these problems with great care. The committee observed, even if it were permissible under the Constitution to lay down some kind of guidelines for governors, such a task would be best with many difficulties. While one may discuss the various aspects of the problems which have arisen in the past, it is not easy to envisage all situations which may confront the governors in the future. In the working of the government of the state, large number of problems arises. Stop.